Hey guys, today I will tell about the Google Maps, how to use a Google Maps in Flutter. I'm not gonna tell about the coding part. So do watch the video for getting the exact what we have to use to build a Google Maps in Flutter. So let's start. So first, coming to the prospect YAML, we have to use these libraries as you see here. Google Maps to display provider for the state management, geocoding for getting the exact location and address of your particular location, and the geolocator for getting the current location. So these are basically packages about what we have to build over the Google Maps. Okay, and for accessing that you have to write the permissions. So what you have to write is a find location and the post location, that's it, and the internet, the basic thing. And the most important the most important is the key that we have to get through the Google Cloud, because it is free to use. So basically we are using the service of the Google company. Okay, so that's why the whatever the maps we have to display, it is of the Google service. So let's head over to the Google Cloud, because we have to use the Google Maps, right? So you can go through this link, cloud.google.com. I will also provide the links to the API. So basically, we have to generate the API key to display the Google Maps and get the current location, right? So this is the official platform of the Google Cloud. So if you click on the Get Started on Free, just head over to this link. So console.cloud.google.com. This is the website that Google should welcome after you had signed up. So as you see, it is written here, start your free trial in with a $300. So I'm not activated with it. So it is not necessary that you have to have a free trial subscription. Okay. So let's go to the enabled API keys. So as you see here, I created the first project. You can also create a new project by using that. So after creating your first project, you must be head over to the dashboard. Under the first project, you will see the enabled API services, library, and credential. So these three tabs are important. So enable API keys once you get there. Okay, uh, let me take you to the credential first, because we have to generate the API key. So as you see here, I have generated just API key 1 and 2. So if you want to create credentials, this is a tab for creating the API key. So it automatically generates. You have just one click away to generate this API key. So that's it. You have to copy. And if you see here, my latest is the API key 3. You can also change this name, whatever you want. And the services that you have to allow, the API restrictions and the application restrictions. So just you want to have only work in the Android apps, just click on it and just save it. Okay, so I'm not doing anything such. So I'm going next to the library, because we have to enable the platforms. Okay, which platform you want to run this API key. So that's why Android is the important, because basically Android mobiles, to run in the Android mobiles we have to enable it. So as you see, I already enabled for the Android map SDK for Android. For iOS, I let me show you. For iOS I must not enable. Okay, so this is the maps SDK for iOS. If you want to run in the iOS, so you must enable this, and you will be able to see the Google Maps and access all the permissions of that. So it may take 15 to 20 minutes to reflect on your app, so don't need to be hurry. If you have the recent account, you can you can enable that API key, so that uh, you can get the exact API access to the application. Okay, so let me go through the app. Okay, this is the application that we have to build. The source code I'm not going to explain, because I had append the Medium link. So this is basically what we have to build. Okay, so yep. So I'm right now here, the my location and the address and the latitude and longitude I have to print. And yep, this is my current location. I have to just I have press this. So this is what we have to build in the Google Maps in the Flutter. So thank you for watching, and please go through the links that I have opened for coding part. Thank you.